Welcome to Walking Legends. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Elliot and I love to create. I've been making things for all my life. I'm just terrible at posting things. You may actually know me by a couple of projects that I've done over the past, such as this one, or this one, or this one, or even this one, and this one, or this one, or this one. And if you're from the Instagram community, welcome. Thanks for coming along. Hopefully I can answer more of the questions that you've had. But speaking of which, a lot of you who have already subscribed, thank you so much. You are so generous and so kind. I hope these videos can make it up to you. Now, let me tell you about the plan this year. But first, tea. This is not really a DIY channel or a how-to channel. It's more of a, hey, let me show you how I built this, and then maybe you do it better. So much of YouTube that I watch anyway is literally that. It's like, ooh, you did it that way? Ooh, how can I do it better? Get on with it. Right, so this channel is going to be a, I did it! Then you can let me know how you think and what you like. But if you have questions for a lot of the process that I'm going to be doing here, I hope I can answer them in the long-form videos that I'll be posting. But if you have more in-depth questions that you need to ask, I will be setting up some sort of Patreon and community that maybe we can do a little collaborating and talking, because on Instagram, you guys have been so supportive and given me some great ideas to attempt and try. I can't wait to try them here, particularly for this guy. He's mostly done right now, but a lot of the techniques that I've used on him are gonna be used for these other projects down the road. Now, this year I am making a challenge for myself to rebuild the costumes that I've done in the past. And what follows is a list of costumes that I will be attempting to build this year. I've built different versions of these costumes in the past, but my skills have grown so much since then. I want to make them bigger and better. A couple of those costumes that you might see right about here is the Master Chief suit that I am currently building. I have a couple of Bionicle masks that I'm playing around with. Fellow Bionicle fans, you're welcome here. I mean, everyone's welcome here. It's like all skills, all welcome. But my Bionicle fans are gonna have some fun too. I do so many different projects and I do so many different things, so this channel is gonna be a dedication to just a wide variety of things. This year in particular, I'll be focusing on the costuming aspects. But next year, I'll probably be expanding into even some board game territory and more 3D modeling. I already incorporate a lot of 3D modeling, and I'm sure you're gonna have a lot of questions about that too. But I use a lot of 3D modeling in my designs for my builds, particularly with him. And again, I'll share a lot of how that process went down shortly. All that to say, if you're in for the journey, we'll have a mix of long form and short form on here. So if you want to see me fail at a few things, hit the bubble doodads that you want, and welcome. Thanks again, guys. I look forward to seeing you on the next project.